Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Nice to meet you. I'm Jake.
Nice to meet you too, Jake. Is this your first time at this party?
Yes, it is. My friend Anna invited me.
Oh, I know Anna. She's really nice. How do you know her?
We work together. We're in the same office.
That's great. What do you do?
I work in IT. I fix computers and help people with tech problems.
Cool. So you're good with computers?
Yes, I guess so. I enjoy it. And what about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to children.
Wow, that's amazing. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it. The kids are fun and every day is different.
That's nice. I think working with kids is not easy.
Sometimes it's hard, but it's also fun. So, do you like this party?
Yes, it's fun. The music is good and the food is delicious.
Have you tried the chocolate cake?
Not yet. Is it good?
It's the best. You have to try it.
Okay, I will. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and soft rock. What about you?
I like jazz and a little bit of pop too.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar, just for fun.
That's cool. I love the guitar.
Thanks. Do you play anything?
I used to play the piano when I was younger.
That's great. Maybe one day we can play music together.
That sounds fun. So, do you want to get some cake?
Yes, let's go find that chocolate cake.
Let's go.